Hi everyone, hope you all are doing great. This is Parul P. Agarwal and today I'm very excited to do my first pick a card reading video. Okay, so I have here with me two angel cards, one with a white crystal and one with a blue crystal. So what you need to do is take a deep breath, center yourself and choose the card or the crystal which you are most drawn to. You may even pause the video for a few seconds if you need to, and I am going to reveal what the angels have to say to you at this moment. Alright, it's time for the card reveals. So in case you have chosen the white crystal, the card here says it's time to leave this unhealthy situation. So probably you have been facing a situation where you feel stuck, or probably you are in a stage right now where whatever time and energy you are investing into something is not yielding you the best results or the desired results. So if in case this is your experience, or you feel that you are kind of surrounded with negativity, then it's time to walk away, move on. Okay, and remember that you always have the choice, and so you need to follow your inner guidance. So to be specific, so let's say in case you are feeling stuck in your job and you want to apply for a new job, then this card is a signal that yes, it's time for you to move on. You can apply for the job that you are looking for. Also, in case any one of you is going through some kind of addictive patterns, some kind of unhealthy lifestyle, then it's time to leave that situation and promise yourself to actually move away to a healthy choice. For those of you who are in a relationship and feeling that the relationship is turning to be toxic, then it's time for you to actually take some relationship advice. You can seek some relationship counselor, or you can you can connect with some healer. Probably you can have a heart-to-heart conversation with your beloved, so that you can gain clarity on what basically or where basically your relationship is heading towards, and then you can take the decision accordingly. Okay, so it's time for healthy in case somebody has been struggling with health issues, then it's time to choose and adopt a healthy lifestyle or a more balanced diet. Okay, so whatever may be your situation, it may be a physical thing or it may be a mental thing, it's time to move away to a better place in your life where you are more at peace with yourself. You can ask your angels to assist you in your journey. You can pray them for clarity and help you to focus on exactly what you need to focus upon. You can ask your angels to give you or the answers that you seek and the courage to make the healthy changes in your lifestyle. So that's about it. In case you have resonated with this reading, please do leave a small comment or a feedback. So now it's time to move on to the next card, which is in case you have chosen the blue crystal, that is, the message for you is you are on your right path. Yes. Okay, so this card is telling you, is kind of a validation that whatever thoughts and actions that you have been taking recently are in the right direction. So no matter how insignificant or small they may seem to you, okay, but know that those steps are aligning you with your soul purpose, and although you may not clearly see what's up ahead, the angels want you to know that they are guiding you and they are protecting you in every step of your journey. So keep up the good work that you have been doing. Okay, in case you have been contemplating a new move or a new project, then yes, it's a signal that you can start a business, pick a new book, pick a new hobby that you have been always wanting to do for a very long time, make a positive lifestyle, or simply do whatever that you have been holding back for a very long time. All right, also this is a time to listen to your inner guidance. Even if others don't understand, just keep following your gut instincts. Trust that you are supported, you are loved, and you are blessed. You will also be financially supported as you move forward with your plans. So don't be afraid to take that risk, or take that leap of faith. Ask your angels to assist you and give you clear signals of what you need to do in your path. Okay, thank them for your guidance, and ask them to guide you in the ways you can most understand. Okay, thank them for motivating you and filling you with the courage and confidence that is required to move ahead. So I hope you have enjoyed this reading. In case this reading has resonated with you, please do leave a small comment or a feedback. Thank you so much. I will be back with my new video soon. Love and light. God bless.